Here I have a mini deluxe amplifier. It's a Fender or a Fender MD20, and I have it plugged in here, and it's drawing. If I turn it on, it's basically measuring a short. It's measuring 5 amps there, so that's not good. It's 9 volts, and it should not be measuring that much current. So there's probably a shorted component inside. Now, how did it get shorted? I don't know, but I'm guessing that there's like a MOSFET or some sort of transistor for amplifying it, and if that shorted out, that could be the reason why it's not amplifying. The little LED doesn't even turn on at all. So it's a dead short. Hopefully we can get this going again. Actually, I want to use this little amplifier. Get it going. Alright. So it's quite simplistic. It just has a little speaker there. It's not very big at all. And we have the main board right here. So, let me just do a little bit of measurement on this and see if I can find a short anyway. Okay. So connect to ground. Try these diodes. Okay. So I'm gonna switch it on, see if I can see if anything gets nice and warm. Okay. Okay, it's getting hot right here. So there's a component on this side. You can feel the heat really, really hot right there. Okay. So I'm gonna have to, I don't know if I can remove these power knobs or not. These things should pop off. Looks like there's a diode here. taps in the diode. Okay. There's this little amp too. Okay. So down in here, there's a diode in there, and that diode there is getting really, really hot. So it's probably a diode problem. And it's kind of hard to take this board out because I don't know how to take this off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just snip. Maybe I can try to read what that is. It's going to be tricky to read that. I'm going to try that. What was wrong? It was basically reverse polarity on the on the power one. You can see the light coming on. So I figured that out because I was like, why is that diode reverse polarity? And it's because if you do the reverse polarity, it will heat up and go through the diode instead of blowing up your circuit. And it says right here, shows you the little plus on the outside. Usually the outside is negative, but this is, and then the pin in the middle is negative, and that's not normal. Usually it's the opposite way around. So it's just like a wrong transformer. So in fact, this guy is working, it just has the wrong transformer. Very, very strange type. I don't know why they do that. It's a very bad idea doing that. Here I have the beep test going. Seems to be working good.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.